In this video, I will show how you can add a collection of high-quality, scalable icons to your Elementor website using paid plugin. I will add plugin link in this video's description. I have already installed this plugin. After activation, you can add these icons from the Elementor Visual Compasser. Let's give it a try. Click here for Get the Icon File URL. We can change the text and box descriptions from the content settings. We can select different animation trigger options from these settings, such as showing animation on hover or click. This Elementor add-on offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to easily change the size, color, and animation of the icons to match your website's theme and style. We can directly upload the file using different method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more WordPress plugin tutorial videos, and don't forget to share and like.